Were you injured while working offshore? The vastness of the sea shouldn't mean you're isolated when it comes to your rights. If you've suffered an injury on an oil rig, a cargo ship, a fishing vessel, or any other maritime operation, understanding your legal options is the crucial first step toward recovery and justice. That's where an offshore injury lawyer comes in. These specialized attorneys understand the intricate web of maritime laws that govern injuries occurring on navigable waters. Unlike traditional land-based injury cases, offshore incidents fall under specific federal statutes like the Jones Act, the Longshore and Harbor Workers' Compensation Act, LHWCA, and general maritime law. Navigating these laws alone can be overwhelming, especially while you're focused on healing. So, what exactly does an offshore injury lawyer do? They act as your advocate, your guide, and your relentless fighter. Their primary goal is to ensure you receive the compensation you deserve for your injuries, lost wages, medical expenses, pain, and suffering. Here's a closer look at how they can help you. Understanding maritime law. As mentioned, offshore injuries are governed by unique laws. A specialized lawyer possesses the in-depth knowledge to interpret these laws and apply them to your specific situation. They understand concepts like seaman status under the Jones Act and the specific requirements for LHWCA claims. Investigating your accident, determining the cause of your injury is paramount. An experienced lawyer will conduct a thorough investigation, gathering evidence, interviewing witnesses, and potentially consulting with maritime experts to uncover negligence or unseaworthiness that contributed to your accident. Building a strong case. Based on the investigation, your lawyer will build a compelling legal case on your behalf. This involves meticulously documenting your injuries, gathering medical records, calculating your financial losses, and presenting a clear and persuasive argument. Negotiating with insurance companies. Insurance companies often prioritize their bottom line, sometimes offering settlements that are far less than what you're entitled to. Your lawyer will fiercely negotiate with these companies, protecting your rights and fighting for a fair settlement. Filing a lawsuit, if necessary. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiation, your lawyer will be prepared to file a lawsuit and represent you in court. They will handle all aspects of the litigation process, from filing paperwork to presenting your case before a judge or jury. Now, you might be wondering, do I really need an offshore injury lawyer? The answer, in most cases, is a resounding yes. Here's why. Complexity of maritime law. As we've emphasized, maritime law is complex and differs significantly from standard personal injury law. General practice attorneys may lack the specific expertise required to handle these unique cases effectively. Protecting your rights. Insurance companies and employers may try to minimize your claim or deny it altogether. An experienced lawyer will ensure your rights are protected every step of the way. Maximizing your compensation. A skilled attorney knows the full extent of damages you may be entitled to and will fight to recover the maximum compensation possible. Leveling the playing field. Facing powerful corporations and their legal teams can be intimidating. An offshore injury lawyer provides you with the legal firepower you need to level the playing field. Peace of mind. Dealing with the aftermath of an offshore injury is stressful enough. Having a dedicated legal professional handling your case allows you to focus on your recovery and your family. Why hire an offshore injury lawyer? So, if you've been injured offshore, what should you do next? The most crucial step is to seek legal counsel as soon as possible. Don't delay. Evidence can disappear, and deadlines for filing claims may apply. When choosing an offshore injury lawyer, look for someone with specific experience. Ensure they have a proven track record of handling offshore injury cases. Deep understanding of maritime law. They should be well versed in the Jones Act, LHWCA, and general maritime law. Strong communication skills. They should be able to explain complex legal matters clearly and keep you informed throughout the process. Compassion and dedication. They should understand the challenges you're facing and be committed to fighting for your best interests. Remember, you don't have to face this alone. An offshore injury lawyer can be your strongest advocate in navigating the complexities of maritime law and securing the justice and compensation you deserve. If you or a loved one has been injured while working offshore, take action now. Contact a qualified offshore injury lawyer for a free consultation to discuss your case and understand your legal options. Your recovery and your future are too important to leave to chance.